Hello everyone. I'm recording this video on a very sad note that one of the very famous and prominent primatologist and an anthropologist, Jane Goodall, has passed away 2 days back. And this is not just a simple obituary. I'm recording it as a fan or a admirer of Jane Goodall. Not because I am associated with anthropology as a faculty, but as a student of anthropology, I believe it's a very big loss to the community itself. Not just to anthropology, I believe she didn't get the appropriate coverage or appropriate exposure. I think people should know कि वो anthropology के beyond भी एक ऐसी बात करके गई that every human should know. Now, just to tell you about her life, actually, at a very young age, at the age of 1, her father gifted her a toy chimpanzee. And from that day, she loved this toy chimpanzee. She started to read about nature. She started to read about animals. She started to just explore these things. She was not from a very well-off family, so she had to do some jobs. But then one fine day, she had the opportunity to visit a friend to Kenya. Okay, and there actually she happened to meet Louis Leakey, and they were working under some kind of archaeological excavation in Kenya, Tanzania, and all. And Louis Leakey was very impressed by her. And the day she met Louis Leakey, so she expressed her interest to observe chimpanzees and all. And so Louis Leakey made the arrangement, made her go to Gombe National Park in Tanzania. This is a national park in which there are a lot of chimpanzees. She stayed there, spent her entire youth there, learned a lot of things about chimpanzees, make us know a lot of things about chimpanzees, our closest relatives. Now, what she talks about, other than anthropology, which is very much important, which every human should know, कि अभी तक हमने जितनी भी नॉलेज डेवलप की, वी ट्राई टू शो दैट वी आर द मोस्ट सुपीरियर बीइंग्स और क्रिएशंस ऑफ द गॉड, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. शी हाईलाइटेड दैट कि आवर क्लोजेस्ट रिलेटिव्स, दे आर वेरी मच सिमिलर लाइक अस. थिंग्स दैट वी कंसिडर कि सिर्फ इंसानों के पास है, वो शायद उनमें भी है, और वहाँ से एक नया डोमेन खुलता है. A lot of other zoologists, they also started to talk about it कि सिर्फ ह्यूमन्स के पास कल्चर नहीं है, सिर्फ ह्यूमन्स के पास लैंग्वेज नहीं है, सिर्फ ह्यूमन्स के पास वे ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन नहीं है, या कई सारी मोरालिटी या ऑल्ट्रुइज्म, इस तरीके के वैल्यू सिस्टम सिर्फ ह्यूमन्स के पास नहीं है. शी स्टार्टेड टू से दैट कि चिंपैंजीज में भी वैसी पॉलिटिक्स हैं, चिंपैंजीज में भी वैसे फैमिली सिस्टम हैं, बॉन्ड्स हैं, ऑल्ट्रुइज्म हैं, सैक्रिफाइसेस हैं, अडॉप्शन है, और बहुत सारे ऐसे बिहेवियर्स हैं जो आपको ह्यूमन्स में देखने को मिलेगा. And that's why she broke that notion that humans are the most superior species on earth or the best creation of mankind. There are a lot of features that chimpanzees know better than us. Okay, so that way ये जो superiority complex है humans का, उसको break करना और फिर कई सारे scholars को inspire करना just to ensure that ये जो सुपीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स है जिसकी वजह से हमने अर्थ को डिस्ट्रॉय कर रखा है या अर्थ को ओवर एक्सप्लॉइट कर रहे हैं, दैट शुड नॉट हैपन. सो जस्ट टू spread this message, not only related to the chimpanzees but to other close relatives of humans like primates, she established this Jane Goodall Institute, and for her entire life she dedicated this time just to show how magnificent these creatures are, how impressive their lifestyle is, and they are not at all different from us. They have the same emotions, they have the same intelligence, they have the same complex communication system, complex family system, social system, just like we have. So I believe as an individual, as a student of anthropology, I have lost a very important individual. I never get the chance to meet her. I wanted to meet her, but my best wishes, my prayers to her soul, departed soul, and maybe we will try to continue her legacy. We'll try to spread the message in the same manner that she tried to do. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much.